भी कर लो।
तेरा पंजरा मचाल खाना परिंदे ने उड़ जाना तेरा पंजरा मचाल खाना परिंदे ने उड़ जाना तेरा पंजरा तेरा मुख जाना सारा लाना बाना परिंदे ने उड़ जाना तेरा
Myself, Mohinder Singh Giljian, President Indian Overseas Congress USA. We are here. We are supporting our student in India who was sitting at Jantar and Mantar for months and months, and finally their voice heard. And our LOP Shri Rahul Gandhi ji played very good role to bring this scene front of the BJP government. And at the end of the day, our education minister Vardhan ji had resigned a few days ago, and now is the turn to our Prime Minister of India. He had to resign. He had to take responsibility. What happened with the students? What happened with the paper leaks? And how come they do lathi charge? Who gave a permission in Jantar Mantar to the lathi on students, especially on the female student? And they beat them very badly. And now Home Minister of India have to take responsibility. They have to, Mr. Amit Shah should resign, and Mr. Prime Minister also resign. And they both, Home Minister and Prime Minister, they want to take India back to 18th century. We cannot allow to them. They are playing like they are dictator. But India is awake. People of India, farmers of India, and all leaders of parties, they are awake, and they want to bring justice. And very soon, BJP have to go back to their stage. And we are supporting our Rahul Gandhi as the next Prime Minister of India. Thank you so much.
अब बहुत बेटे चुप चाप क्या घंटे का इंसाफ देश कैसे होगा साफ इनकी नियत में है दाग सिर्फ करते रहेंगे बात अलग शक्ल वही जात वोट मिलने पर ये खास
My name is Minhaj Khan. I'm associated with Indian Overseas Congress. We have all gathered here from pretty much the tri-state area. The main purpose of our coming here together is to show our solidarity with the student community back in India. They have done an amazing job. A big shout out to them. We love you guys. This is a big shout out from New York City. This is the least we can do for you. This is where we think like you have the capacity and capability of supporting and changing what is wrong that is happening back there. We stand with you. We are glad that the education minister has resigned. But now I think the most important thing you should do is ask the next Mr. Amit Shah, Prime Minister Modi to understand what is needed by the student community. We strongly condemn whatever happened, the physical police brutality. We are against it. We would like everybody to come together and listen to the student. And as I said, Congress is the party that stands with you all. We are here. We will look forward for your support all the time. We are here to help you. Thank you very much from New York. Indian Overseas Congress is here, USA New York chapter, to show our support and solidarity for the huge youth and student movement that is taking India over. We are against the fascism of BJP and RSS. We are against the education minister who just resigned because of the pressure from the millions of students and youth. And this movement is now spreading all across the world.
We're just here to support the Gen Z. We saw on the media what happened to all our students just for speaking up the truth and for seeking justice. The way they were assaulted was not fair. We have all gathered here to seek justice for them and to bring up some good reforms in the education system. Thank you.
Student community of India. Zindabad. Student community of India. Zindabad. डर डर मोदी डर जा मोदी डर डर मोदी डर जा मोदी डर डर मोदी डर जा मोदी
क्यों पैसों से नहीं बनते कुदरत से हम खास क्यों तेरी पीढ़ी का सोच वो कैसे लेंगे सांस क्यों
To congratulate the students of Delhi for standing firm in defense of justice, fairness and democratic values. whatever the immediate political consequences, they have reminded the nation that the voice of ordinary citizens, especially of the youth, cannot be ignored forever. For years, many believed that political narratives had become so carefully constructed and so tightly controlled that dissent could be marginalized and critics silenced. Yet these students demonstrated that no image, however powerful it is, beyond public scrutiny when people unite around a genuine cause. They shifted the conversations from power to accountability and from personalities to principle. Their movement was not about ideology. It was about the right of every young Indian to believe that hard work, merit and honesty still matter.
We are here to support Gen Z from India, and they worked very hard to win the first round. Now we are here to continue their journey towards the next step. We want the change in India. We want the new government. We want the new ideas. We are tired of the BJP party government. RRS is a time for change, and we are here to make that happen together. Thank you.
इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, 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 जिंदाबाद।
बोलो